Hello everyone, welcome back. It's beautiful, sunny, hot Sunday here in Indianapolis. Just got my new outdoor wok from Amazon. Paid about $150 for it, free shipping. And I've used it a couple times now and the results were great. So I wanted to do a review on it and show you what I got here. It's actually attached just a propane tank. It is jet, so it is high powered. It's rated between 0 and 160,000 BTU, and I believe it because I'm going to demonstrate some cold tap water and show you how quick it boils it. Now I use a 14-inch wok, and that seems to be the perfect size for it. That is it. It does have a pilot. I did not go with the electric ignition. Felt like that was just something that could break. So it is a manual light, but it does have a pilot, so you could leave that pilot on if you're in between dishes, cooking with multiple woks. You want to turn down the flame, swap out, you just leave your pilot on. You don't have to relight it every time. So I'm going to go ahead and fire this thing up, show you how well it works. Go ahead. And light my match here. Turn the pilot on. There we go. And then this is for your jet. We are cooking. That's a fairly low setting. Turn it down here just a little bit. Put the wok on there. Now this is cold tap water. I'm just going to pour it in. I'm going to show you what 160,000 BTUs will do. And that's what it says it's rated to, and I believe it because it's going to take this water to boil fairly quick. Alright, we're going to turn that thing all the way up. You can hear it. You're not really going to be able to see the flame. You can see it a little bit, but at night, if you're cooking at night, you can see it going all the way up the side of the wok. As you can see, that cold tap water is already starting to boil. So far, I've been really pleased with it. It does a great job. It's going to take your Asian cooking to a whole new level. And I will put a link in the description where you can pick one up. Definitely worth the $148 that I paid for it. You ever wondered what 160,000 BTUs of heat will do? There you go. 2 minutes. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you next time.